everybody, welcome to Keto Alicious. Today is day 8 and I am going to exercise. I'm going to take a little bit of a walk. I don't know how long it'll be, but come with me. Come with me, take a little walk and enjoy the sunshine. Oh my gosh, I walked out the door and I've got 3 geese that are sitting in my yard, which wonderful. Oh, this feels so good. I'm gonna just walk for a while and talk. I think it's just as easy to walk and talk as it is to sit and get no exercise. Move the body a bit. I know I've been really struggling with this. I know there's noise outside, but so bear with me. Just know that, I think exercise is always important. However, I also think that people can overdo it, and that's not the case with me. I never have to worry about overdoing exercise. I should pick it up a little bit more, probably. But so I'm just walking for a bit, and I really think that for me it's going to be low intensity at first until I get some of my weight off. Maybe low impact, maybe I might even take up Pilates or yoga. Never done that before, but I'm open and take you through my journey with that. But I also think that it could be really good. I just don't want to, I think with low intensity, I think you burn fat a lot faster, and I really just want to be true to my body and give it a chance to let the elasticity, sit up and take form, take shape like it's, like it should when you're losing weight. I really don't want excess skin because I was too lazy to exercise. So I just really think that I'm going to do that for myself and allow myself to, to get some movement. God, the fresh air is just amazing. It feels good. So why not? I'm so glad you guys are on this journey with me. Day 8. I had my I'm getting ready to have my meal today. I haven't eaten yet, but it's a little earlier than what normally the time is that I visit with you guys. So I'll have to decide what I'm going to have today. Maybe make it in a recipe for another day. Who knows? But yeah, this feels good. This feels really amazing. I think we should all, if nothing else, it's so funny because I got a Fitbit about 2 years ago for Christmas, and I was just thinking about it while I'm walking. I need to get that thing out of my closet, and I need to put that on, and I need to see how many steps I'm taking in a day. I wouldn't even have a clue on how many steps I'm taking. So that's probably the next thing I'm going to do is start figuring out how many steps and maybe even connect it. I use that carb manager, and I think you can connect it to the carb manager. See, I'm already out of breath. See, that's what happens when you don't exercise. But I'm going to change that. I'm going to do what I need to do. And every day, or maybe I'll start it 3 times a week. Maybe I won't do it every day at first. We'll just see how I feel. This is such a wonderful journey for me. I think 2019 is going to be my best year that I've had in a long, long time. So, I'm just plugging on one day at a time, one meal at a time, one bloop at a time. And this is my weight loss journey. And I'm so excited that I decided to do this, because I have struggled with this for a very, very, very long time. And it feels good. It feels very freeing to be able to come from behind the camera and push myself in front of it. And the more I do this, the more I realize that the camera is my friend. It's like my best friend recording my journey, my weight loss journey, and I will always have this to go back on if I have a down day, or if I need to, reevaluate something that I'm doing. I'll always have this, and that is so dear to me. So it's kind of like somebody's life biography, but it's not my life biography. It's my weight loss journey at 53. And I know a lot of people are, scared of numbers. I'm not afraid of the numbers. I've had an amazing life. I've had, good times, and I've got stories like nobody's business. And my biggest challenge is me. I just have not taken care of myself, because I'm a nurturer. And a nurturer for me is always that person that takes care of somebody else first. And then if I have time, or my favorite excuse has been, I'll do it tomorrow. So I take care of my family, I take care of my loved ones, my friends. I'll take care of a stranger, heck, because that's kind of who I am. But I'm realizing now that that's okay to do. Don't do it in front of yourself. Don't put yourself on the back burner, because you know what? We just had a friend that we thought was very healthy, and he didn't look very good at Thanksgiving time, and I said to my husband, he just doesn't look very good. Well, he went to the doctor a week later, and he was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, and they gave him months to live. And that, right there, that hit so close to home. I couldn't believe that somebody that we thought was perfectly fine had only a few months to live. And then he went back to the doctor for some other reason, and then they told him he was so full of cancer that he had weeks to days to live. And it was an emotional time for me, because you always grab a hold of things that you can't believe are true. And from the start of the time that he went to the doctor and was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer to the day he died was 3 weeks. And that's when I decided, oh my gosh, you are never guaranteed anything in your life. You are never guaranteed to wake up tomorrow. You are never guaranteed to be able to have another meal with your family. You're not guaranteed that you're going to be able to tell them that you love them tomorrow, because you may not wake up. So I'm dedicating this video to a friend that lost his life, that had an amazing family, and they're really suffering right now. And as I sit on my couch, overweight, without exercising, eating anything I want, drinking anything I want, and thinking that I can live forever to be with my family and my grandkids, That was the day that I stepped from behind the camera to the front of the camera, and every day since. So I want you guys to have an amazing day. I love each and every one of you guys for watching me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd love to have you watch my videos, and I hope they help you as much as they're helping me. And so with that said, I am off. I'm going to continue to walk a little bit further, and I will see you tomorrow, day 9. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.